And this is the
That's
lime.
the lime.
Mm-hmm.
It smells so good.
Yes.
So yeah, straight from the peel of the lime.
Yes.
So one drop is all you need for.
Hey everyone, this is Lance McGowan, and we have a special video today because I have Kim Page here with Pampered Chef, as well as Malie Simpson here, and we're going to talk about some of our favorite items for the kitchen, as well as essential oils to use in cooking. So, with that being said, what do we have here today?
I have the ice cream maker,
Okay.
which is compact, easy to store, makes ice cream in 20 minutes.
Oh, wow.
It's delicious, natural, and you know all the ingredients that go in it.
Mm-hmm.
And if you don't eat all the ice cream, you could put the cover on it and keep it in the freezer.
Okay, cool. So this top part comes off
Yes.
then after you do that?
Yes.
Okay.
Now I have a question. Do you store the bottom part in the freezer?
Yes,
for
just
like
the bottom
12
part.
hours
For 24 hours.
24 hours. Okay.
Oh, in
Yeah.
advance?
In
Yes.
advance.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
And then with regards to recipes for ice creams, what are some of the things that you like to do, Malie?
Well, I am an ice cream lover. I've always loved ice cream, but healthier options that I've chosen is using like an almond milk or a coconut milk base, which still makes it very creamy and delicious. And then you can add essential oils as some of the flavorings, which makes it very unique and adds that extra. So peppermint is one great one that you can add. So peppermint oil, peppermint ice cream. One of my favorite used to be the green mint ice cream. So
Yeah, and that's doTERRA essential oils, which is approved for internal use, which is good. And then peppermint oil is going to be really good for, like you said, mint ice creams, or even like chocolate ice creams. Those are really kind of good too. Yeah.
pass it around, give us a little uplift, a little
Oh, it
focus.
It's really good.
Yeah,
Yes.
ice cream, brownies, cookies, hot chocolate. I drop a peppermint oil just a teeny bit in
Yep.
any of those.
Here.
I like to,
Everybody smell.
yeah, right, yeah, digital smells. I like to put also like a drop on the top of my hand and lick it off too, and that helps with focus and alertness, so that's really good. And then another item another oil you can use is you can use like a lime oil with some type of like raspberry, so you can make like a sorbet in here.
Raspberry lime is delicious.
Or raspberry
together.
lime. Yes, that's a really good combination. And it's super simple. It's usually like agave, frozen raspberries, and a lime essential oil from doTERRA, and that's going to give you some really good experiences.
And this is the
That's
lime.
the lime.
Mm-hmm.
It smells so good.
Yes.
So yeah, straight from the peel of the lime.
Yes.
So one drop is all you need for a whole recipe like this in this ice cream maker, and
Yeah.
you're going to have that flavor and all the therapeutic benefits of lime oil.
Yeah, and so lime is good for detoxification, obviously for the flavor of the actual ice cream, but then it's also good for like helping to clean your liver and your kidneys as well. So a lot of cleansing benefits of that, and so this ice cream maker is pretty cool.
It
So
is.
that's an
Yeah,
awesome
very
kind of
versatile.
addition. And again, that's from Pampered Chef, and that is one of the favorite items that you like to use.
Yes, I
That's
love
cool. All right, so let's talk about the next item. So we will move this a little bit over here.